In this session, we will demonstrate how to use the clash detective tool in Navisworks for clash detection. To activate clash detection in Navisworks, we need to export the NWC file from Revit. Let us use Revit to open the project file 303 architecture.rvt we are going to use first. Click on the Application button at the top left corner and use the Export tool to export an NWC file. Save at a location known to you. Repeat the procedure to export the other project files, 303 drainage.rvt and 303 water supply.rvt to NWC files. Once the model is done exporting, let us open Navisworks. Click on the Application button at the top left corner and select Open. Find and open the NWC file 303 architecture.nwc that was just exported from Revit. When there are multiple NWC files from different disciplines that require to be merged, under the Home tab, in the Append drop-down menu, click on Merge. Select and open the Drainage and Water Supply NWC files. After all the three models are merged, click on the Clash Detective tool. We can see all the imported models in the Section A and Section B boxes of the Clash Detective window. On the Windows top right corner, click on the Add Test button to create a test. In the Section A box, select the building model, and in the Section B box, select models we want to detect clash with the selected building model in the Section A box. Certainly, models can be selected in both boxes. In this demonstration, we aim to conduct clash detection between the three models. After selecting the models for clash detection, we are to set the clash types for the detection. At the very bottom of the window, in the Settings box, click on the Type drop-down menu. There are 4 clash types. The Hard option is for intersections between geometry. The Hard Conservative option performs the same clash test as the Hard option, but it applies a conservative intersection method. The Clearance option is for checking clashes for geometry within a specific distance from other geometry. The Duplicate option is used to detect duplicate geometry in the model. In this demonstration, let us select the Hard option. Then click on the Run Test button. Then all clashes components will be found. As mentioned, Hard clash detection only detects intersections between geometry in the selected models. Therefore, 2 objects need to have physical overlapping for Navisworks to pick up the clash. Then we may go through the clash list to see where the detected clashes are.